How to do the ding dong challenge on TikTok. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So first I want to show you from where you can get that filter. So we have to go on our TikTok app and then go to discover, and here you have to write expressions, filter, and then go to the first option. So here you have the filter, and make sure that you add this to your favorites. So now you have it in your camera roll. So now let's go back and search for the sound. For that we have to search for Ding Dong Challenge. Go to a random video. And then you have to go to the music, which is at the bottom of the page. So here is the sound. Like I said, you have to add this to favorites, the effect, and also the sound. And now if you go back to your camera roll, click on the plus icon, and now go to effects, and now go to saved. And here, as you can see, we have the saved effect, the expressions. And then for the sound, you have to click on the sound which is at the top of the page. So click on that and then click to favorites, and here you have the song. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.